Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Mendeley. Mendeley is one of the reference manager tool which is absolutely free, while most other reference manager tools such as InNote, Refux are very expensive and you need to buy them. And Mendeley is very easy also compared to other reference manager tool. So now let's begin. So I'll open Mendeley. This is my Mendeley desktop icon, so I'm just opening it. So after you open Mendeley, this is how it looks like. If you go on the left side, you can create your own folder depending on the need and depending on your own project. I have some bunches of some folders here which are my own project, and if you go to the top left corner, you can see file, edit, view and tools, where you can do so many other things. And if you need to add any documents, you need to click add button here, and if you need to add any folders, you need to click folders here, and you can create folder here also where my mouse cursor is. So let's click create folder and let's click use Mendeley. I'll do how to use Mendeley. How to use Mendeley for now. So we can just click here, and now you can see it's blank because there are no files. So let's go to add files. So it says import additional documents to the current location, so to the current folder, which is how to use Mendeley. So I'll click add. So I have my whole bunch of PDF files here, so you can just do one by one, or just press Ctrl A to select all. And if I open here, so these are all the files which are imported in the folder how to use Mendeley. So sometimes Mendeley gives those files in awkward format. You can see here there is no name in this file and there is no name in this file. Let's go to one of these files to edit them. You have option to edit these files in Mendeley also. So let's click here, and suppose this is your PDF file which you need to cite. This is your this is the document which you need to cite. So here there is no name, but if you need to add name, you have option to add it here. So author, suppose for now last name is Walker, W-A-K-E-R, Walker, and first name is Michael. So you can just do Walker M. And journal is research policy for now, but if it is different journal, then you can just type here research policy analysis. For now it is just research policy, as you can see here. So you can just type research policy, and year is 2007, that's good, and volume is 36, that's also good, and pages is just 7333, so that's also good. So this is the abstract of this document, so that's good. And there is one more file which needs some editing, but this file looks awkward, so you can just delete file for now. It is just for tutorial, so you don't need to worry about that. I'm just deleting this file. And if you go to other file, so they look pretty good. So now let's begin how to cite in the Microsoft Word document, because most of the time you use Microsoft Word to write documents. So I'll open one of the Microsoft document. So cite in Mendeley. So first sentence will always be topic. So for now I'm just leaving topic as it is. Now you are writing your document. So for now I'll just write a very simple sentence. A very simple sentence may not need reference, but whenever you need reference, you need to use either Mendeley or InNote or or you have to do it manually, and manually can be very tricky, so it's better to use softwares such as Mendeley. So for now I'll type a very simple sentence. Suppose knowledge is power. For this you don't need to put any reference because this is universal thing, but if that is the idea of any other person, then you need to cite. For now I'll cite this sentence also. So let's cite this using Mendeley. So you can see a reference option here in Word at the top. So if you click reference, so here you can see insert citation button, and if you just put your cursor here, you can see Mendeley. So let me click insert citation here, and it takes you to Mendeley. Either you can go to Mendeley, or you can just type the name of author if you know the paper you are going to cite. For now I'm just going to Mendeley, so I'm clicking go to Mendeley, and this is my folder which I'm going to use. And suppose I'm going to use this paper now, and I can just click this paper which highlights this paper, and I can go here at the top, just below file, edit, view, tools. So there is one cite button, and if I click just cite here, then it is automatically bringing me to Word file, and it is showing the citation of that person. And I'll again write another sentence. Knowledge helps us in many ways. I don't mean to cite this because it is a universal sentence, but just for showing, I'm citing it. So again, I can go to insert citation. If I know the paper, I can just type it here. For now I'm typing education, so it is not showing any document, so I'm citing knowledge. So suppose this is my paper which I need to cite, so I can just click here, and if I need to cite another person in this sentence, then I can just add suppose Arthur is the author. So yeah, I can see Arthur here, and if I click here, so I can just click OK, and it is showing two persons. So this is how you can cite using Mendeley. And after citation, you always need to put references at the end of the writing, any piece of writing. So this is my reference, that is also called bibliography. And so if I go here, there is an option called insert bibliography, just at the right of insert citation button. So you can, if you click this insert bibliography, it will give you those two persons as a reference. So this guy here, Arthur WB, is listed as a reference, and Macpherson and Holt are also listed as a reference. So this is the way you cite and reference using Mendeley. And if you are typing all these reference, you can imagine how much time it takes, because you have to follow the guideline of journal. And using Mendeley, you can just go to view, and you can insert your own citation style. So Nature is one of the journal which you can use as a citation style, or you can also use Poultry Science as citation style, Poultry Science for your own citation style, or you can also go to Chicago Manual Style or American Psychological Association. So there are a bunch of options, or if you want to add another journals, you can just click more styles, and it will take you to the journals, different journals, and you can type journals and add journals using this option. So right now I'm just following Poultry Science journal, and this is how you add references in the Word document. I hope this video is useful for you while writing any scientific documents, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you for listening.